Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily English Dialogue podcast. I'm Amber.
And I'm Bruno. We're very happy you're here today.
Yes, if you are learning English and want to feel more confident, you are in the right place.
Before we start, please take 1 second to like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications.
That really helps us, and it helps more learners find this podcast.
Thank you so much. All right, Amber, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is dreams and goals. How to talk about your dreams and goals in simple, clear English.
Yes, this is a great topic because everyone has dreams.
That's right. Big dreams, small dreams, short dreams, long dreams, all are important.
And today, we will help you talk about them with easy English.
We will listen, then discuss, then listen again. So don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time.
Good job just for listening. You are already improving.
Let's begin with an easy question. Bruno, what is a dream?
A dream is something you hope for in the future. It is a big hope.
Yes, a dream is something you want, but maybe it feels far away.
For example, I dream of traveling the world.
Nice example. Listen again, everyone. I dream of traveling the world.
Good. You can also say, I dream of speaking English well.
That's a great dream.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about goals. Bruno, what is a goal?
A goal is a plan. It is something clear.
Yes, a goal has action.
For example, my goal is to practice English every day.
Listen again, everyone. My goal is to practice English every day.
Good job. Do you hear the difference?
A dream is big. A goal is clear.
Dream, I dream of speaking English fluently. Goal, my goal is to study English for 20 minutes a day.
That's a perfect example.
Now let's teach some easy phrases you can use.
First phrase, I dream of.
Repeat with us. I dream of.
I dream of having a good job.
I dream of helping my family.
I dream of living in a big city.
Very good. Now the second phrase.
My goal is to.
Repeat. My goal is to.
My goal is to wake up early.
My goal is to save money.
My goal is to improve my English.
Great job.
Now let's add another helpful phrase. I hope to.
I hope to is very common.
Yes, it sounds soft and friendly.
Repeat. I hope to.
I hope to get a new job.
I hope to travel next year.
I hope to feel more confident.
That's a great sentence.
Now another phrase. I plan to.
This is for clear plans.
Repeat with us. I plan to.
I plan to study tonight.
I plan to wake up at 6.
I plan to practice speaking English.
Excellent.
Now let's listen and discuss.
Okay.
Bruno, what is one of your dreams? I dream of being a better teacher.
That's a wonderful dream.
Thank you. And what is your goal?
My goal is to help learners feel confident with simple English.
You are doing a great job.
Thank you. Now let's help our listeners.
Yes, listeners, think about your dream.
Pause for 1 second.
Now say it in English. I dream of.
Good job.
Now think about a small goal.
Say it. My goal is to.
Amazing.
Remember, goals can be small.
Very small.
For example, my goal is to learn 5 new words today.
My goal is to listen to 1 English podcast.
Small goals are powerful.
Yes, small steps every day.
Now let's talk about short-term goals and long-term goals.
Short-term means soon.
For example, this week or this month.
My short-term goal is to practice English every morning.
Long-term means far in the future.
For example, next year or in 5 years.
My long-term goal is to speak English fluently.
Listen again, everyone.
Short-term goal.
Long-term goal.
Both are important.
Sometimes dreams change.
And that's okay.
Yes, you can change your dream.
You can change your goal.
You are growing.
You are learning.
Now let's talk about problems.
Yes, sometimes goals feel hard.
Sometimes we feel tired.
Sometimes we feel scared.
That's normal.
When it feels hard, take a small step.
Very small.
For example, read 1 sentence.
Listen to 5 minutes.
Say one sentence out loud.
Good job.
Also, celebrate small wins.
Yes, this is very important. Did you study today?
Good job.
Did you listen to this podcast?
Amazing.
Be kind to yourself.
You are learning something new.
Now let's listen again with a short dialogue.
Okay.
Amber, what do you dream of?
I dream of helping people learn English.
What is your goal?
My goal is to make English simple and fun.
I hope to do the same.
I plan to keep teaching every day.
Great conversation.
Listeners, listen again in your mind.
Try to repeat the sentences.
I dream of.
My goal is to.
I hope to.
I plan to.
You're doing great.
Now let's wrap up.
Today, we talked about dreams and goals.
Dreams are big hopes.
Goals are clear plans.
We learned 4 useful phrases.
I dream of.
My goal is to.
I hope to.
I plan to.
Remember, small steps matter.
Progress is not always straight.
And that's okay.
Keep going.
We believe in you.
Now we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what is one dream you have right now?
Or what is one small goal for this week?
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for listening.
You are doing an amazing job.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.